Hi students, how are you all? This is Jyoti. We are going to learn a new topic, parts of a plant, today in this video. You might have seen number of plants around your house. Which type of plants you have seen? Yes, you might have seen some small and big plants. Which plants do you see here in these pictures? Yes, all these plants are small plants. There are two types of plants. One is shrubs and other one is herbs. This is the plant example for shrub. This plant is an example for herb. How is this plant? Yes, this is very short. Shrubs and herbs are short plants. Sometimes these branches of these plants, they may touch the ground. These shrubs and herbs have multiple branches and they are very short and weak. You might have seen some tall plants around your house. How do we call tall plants? Yes, we call tall plants as trees. These are trees. Which plants are these? Yes, this is a neem tree and this is a mango tree and this is a banyan tree. Have you seen like these plants any time? Yes. How are these plants? How are these trees? Yes, they are tall and they are very strong. As we learn about past trees, we need to learn about parts of a plant. There are mainly, we find two parts of a plant, the upper part and the lower part. This is underground part of a plant. See, this part is above the ground. This part is called a shoot. Which part a shoot has? Yes, a shoot has a stem, buds, flower, fruits and leaves. Yes, a shoot bears stem, buds, flowers, fruits and leaves. And in the underground of the plant, you find out roots. What is the function of the root? Yes, root fixes the plant to the soil. Okay children, let's learn about the functions of parts of a plant. Let's learn about, there are two types of roots. One is taproot. This is the taproot of a plant. This is also a taproot. How does this taproot look like? Yes, this taproot is straight and this is long and thick. So around this taproot you find out some hair-like thin roots. You find out like this taproot in the carrot plant. This is the carrot plant. How is this carrot plant? Yes, it has a straight, long and thick root. This is the root of a carrot and this is the plant of a carrot. So around this carrot plant you find out small, thin like roots. And this is the plant of a mustard. This is the mustard plant. The root of a mustard plant is like this. A mustard plant also have taproot. So you can see here, this is the taproot of a mustard plant. So a taproot has long and thick roots. Let's learn about fibrous roots. What are fibrous roots? In which type of plants you find out fibrous roots? Yes, these are the plants in which you find fibrous roots. This is the plant of grass, and this is also a plant of grass, and this is wheat plant, and these are rice plants. How are the roots in this plant? So in a grass plant you find out the roots are long and thick. How are these plants? How are these roots in this plant? Yes, they are long and thick. How are these roots in the wheat plant? Yes, they are also very thin and they are long. So in the rice plant you will find a bunch of long and thin roots. So this type of roots are called fibrous roots. Let's see the functions of the roots. What are all these? Yes, all these are, you will see here, roots. This is the root of turnip, and this is also root of a turnip plant, and these are the roots of a carrot plant. Are these carrot plants? Yes. So this is the root of a carrot plant. And what are these? Yes, these are radish, and these are the roots of this radish plant. And these are turnips, and these are the roots. So what is the main function of these roots? Yes, these roots help the plants to support on the ground. These roots help the plant to bind to the soil, and these root helps to absorb water and minerals and sends to the stem. So this is the stem of a plant. So this is the root. This root helps to absorb minerals and water to the stem. So through stems the plant passes water and minerals to the other parts of a plant so that they can survive. And what is the another function of a plant? Yes, these roots you see here in these pictures, they store food in them. So this is the food they stored in these roots. So this is the food they stored in these roots of these plants. So all these roots we eat every day in our food. Radish, turnip, radish and carrots. Children, we are going to learn about what is stem and what are the functions of the stem. You can see here in this picture, this is the stem of a mango tree and this is a shisham tree. How is the stem in these plants? Yes, this is the stem of this plant and this is the stem of this plant. This stem is very hard and strong. You can find in this picture also, this stem is very strong and hard. And in some plants, the stems are very soft and they are green, and in some plants you find the stems are so weak. In money plant you find the stem is very weak. And you know, the stem bears fruits, branches and leaves, and sometimes flowers also. This is a grapevine. It bears fruits, leaves and branches. What are the functions of the stem? Yes, the stem spreads like they spread the leaves with the help of branches, and it gets sunlight and make food. And also stem carries minerals, water and food to the different parts of a plant. Do we know how to grow stem and root in an onion bulb? Yes, for that, let's take an old onion and place this onion on the glass full of water like this, showing in this picture. You have to wash every day this onion. Then after some days later, you will find a stem is growing from this onion and roots also coming from this onion into the inside of this glass. So this is the complete plant. So onion is growing in complete plant. And which type of roots an onion plant has? Do you know? Yes, this onion plant has fibrous roots. These are fibrous roots. How are these roots? Yes, they are long and thin, hair-like roots. Let's see, children. Some plants store food in their stems, like sugarcane. Sugarcane is a stem. It stores food in this stem. And some other plants, they store food in underground stem. So onions and potato and ginger, they are underground stems. They store food in underground stem. What is the next part of the plant? Yes, it is a leaf. What does a leaf has? There are different parts in a leaf. This is the broad. The leaf is green, flat and thin. The broad flat part of this leaf is called leaf blade, and these are leaf veins. There are many leaf veins, and these veins help the leaf to get water or minerals from the plant. And this is the leaf stalk. The veins support the leaf, and sometimes they carry food from the leaf to the other part of the plant. And this is the underside of the leaf. It has stomata and are also called as air holes. There are a lot of air holes under the underside of this leaf. So through these air holes, a leaf can breathe. And what is the function of the leaves? Leaves, using sunlight and water, they make oxygen. They produce oxygen. And these are the leaves. They store food in them. For example, mint and cabbage. What are these? Yes, the flowers and fruits are the other parts of a plant. How are these flowers? Yes, they are so beautiful and colorful. These are the flowers of pomegranate plant. These are the flowers which grows into as complete fruits. At first they are very small. They grow day by day and they become a complete fruit like this. What is the next part of your plant, children? Yes, they are seeds. This is a mango fruit. In this mango fruit, it has only one seed. But some fruits are there. Those fruits have many seeds. For example, watermelon and papaya, they have many seeds. And these are the wheat seeds. Farmers, they grow crops and vegetables using seeds. And pulses also. And this is a bean plant. So bean is a seed. From this seed, a stem, leaves and roots also coming up. So this is a complete plant. In this activity, you find out stomata in the leaves throughout extra water. Tie some green leaves with a plastic bag like in this picture. After some time, you find some water droplets in the bag. This shows stomata throughout extra water. I hope you enjoy this video. Please visit our website and our Facebook page. Please subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.